Located close to Lake Palestine just south of Noonday, this custom-built home is waiting for you to make it yours. Gorgeous wrap-around front porch clad in cedar plank make for an inviting entryway into this home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage sitting on 26.65 rolling, wooded acres in Flint with an additional 2,000 square feet of living space in a separate dwelling that is heated and cooled. Tall ceilings and wood floors in the entry and dining room greet you as you enter, then a large den with a wood-burning fireplace provides ample opportunity to entertain. Step into the kitchen, which includes a Jenn-Air cooktop and double ovens with a ton of countertop space. New luxury carpet adorns the den and all bedrooms. The primary bedroom is spacious with an ensuite bathroom with separate tub and shower and dual walk-in closets. A massive utility room off of the kitchen includes additional flex space that can be used for an office, workout, or craft area. The large covered back porch is also clad in cedar plank siding and overlooks the backyard and the rest of your oasis. Across the drive from the house sits an additional building with over 2,000 square feet of HC living space. This extra building is completely finished out in custom wood plank walls and ceiling with built-in cabinets and bar, and a ready-to-use office in one corner. A blank canvas for the ultimate man cave, she shed, guest quarters, or all 3. Privacy, convenience, space, this property has it all. Come see. Come buy.